Welcome to the Technology Channel, where we present you focused and summarized overview on the latest interesting technologies and top products from all over the world. Please make sure to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified with our new videos. Today we will talk about Deebit Osmo T8 IV. Deebit Osmo T8 IV, with the revolutionary and upgraded IV technology, multiple obstacles can be recognized with 2 times faster identification speed, faster recognition rate and 60% entanglement rate reduction. Automatically avoid objects and intelligently suggest extra cleaning. First, adopt aerospace standard detection technology. Detect at double distance and has 4-fold precision to detect objects. With the data collected in the cleaning report, Deebit Osmo T8 IV can adapt to home environments better and optimize how it cleans. Delivers a new level of interaction and deeper cleaning than ever before. Offer a more thorough cleaning performance. You can name your different areas on your map. Simply swipe to send your Deebit to the designated area. Scan and save multiple maps of different levels of your home. You can also customize where you'd like the Deebit to clean in each map. Define your restricted areas for Deebit to clean by setting the virtual boundaries in your home. With 5200 mAh battery, Deebit cleans up to 3+ hours per charge. Ideal for large homes and spaces. Your time will be saved. Even 99.26% of bacteria can be removed. Based on test result from Hygiene and Microbiology Research Center Japan, used Osmo Slim as test target. The carpet detection intelligently avoid carpets when mopping and double suction power while vacuuming. Three-layer dust filtration filters 99% of minute particle matter, and effectively filters particles as small as 6 microns. Hope you enjoyed our video and stay tuned for the coming ones.